Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 47 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something purple. So I've got these purple flowers and this little purple thing here. Block print are all caps, and Las Vegas is in all caps, and it also fits my next prompt, which is a famous city. So I've got that. Music symbol, I've got this music page. Graph paper, I've got that. And the bonus is a game or puzzle piece. I really don't have that, but I do have a deck of cards, so I'm going to use this joker. Now, whether I use this side or this side, I haven't made up my mind. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, I don't have a clue as to how I'm going to lay this down. I'm just going to fly by the seat of my pants and just kind of get it down, I guess. I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing good. We are in the 40s. We haven't had much really cool weather, so it's nice to kind of have some. I'm kind of thinking something along that line. And I do have some scraps of Tim Holtz collage paper, so I thought I might just add a few pieces of that around to kind of break up that stark whiteness. Let's see. I kind of like that. Maybe add that up a little higher, and I can add this right there. I like that. Okay, and I have got my Las Vegas, which I thought about maybe putting at the top, and have some of my smaller flowers kind of at the bottom. And let's see. I like that. I don't know whether I need something in the middle there. But I've also got these cute little kids. They're not part of the prompts, but I thought they would be fun. So kind of thinking along something like that. Of course, my card, I think I'm just going to go with the black and white. Something along that line. All right, so let's kind of, now that I got an idea, let's get this down. All right, let's see here. I need my glue book, which I had just a moment ago. I don't know what I did with it. But never fear, I always have more. Okay. So I do think I will ink just the edges of this. Yep. We're on into season 5 of The Rookie. I really like that show. I really like the characters. And I'm almost finished with the little Christmas book I'm reading. I can't even tell you the name of it. It's okay. I just wanted a simple read. It's nothing great. I just hadn't felt much like reading, so. Okay. Now, I found my other. Okay, let me get this down. I love this cooler weather. I get so hot so easily. And it's hard to believe that Thanksgiving is less than 2 weeks away. And Christmas soon behind it. Okay, let me kind of get this stuff on here. I'm sorry if that's loud. I've got my window open because it's so nice. Okay, I thought I had another piece of, there it is. All right. I love the Tim Holtz decoupage paper. I just never think to use it very often. But I'm trying to straighten up my scraps, and I found this, so I'm going to use it. Are y'all planning on, those of you in the United States, are you planning on a nice Thanksgiving? Ours is pretty quiet now because both my parents and my husband's parents have gone. So we yeah, kind of like that. So it's just us now. It hasn't been for many years anything left of the holidays that I had when I was growing up. My parents passed away. I was only, I think, 30. They passed away in 92, and my mom in 92, dad in 93. All right, I'm gonna put that right there. Go ahead and get it down. So as my family, you know, my mom, I'm the only child, but she always cooked for aunts, and she had an aunt that was like a sister to her, my grandmother and all that. They're all gone as well. And of course, when Mom passed away, things like that kind of went by the wayside. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of add those like that. And I don't know if I'll use that or not. I'm thinking probably not. That's so cute. Oh, need something there. This and the flowers came from my botanist sticker book. Okay. So let me get Las Vegas down. Although I'm not sure about having a Las Vegas sign over church music. It just doesn't seem to go together. All right. Put this one down first. her. I can't remember. I don't know if these came from the Digital Collage Club or if I ordered them off of Etsy. I just have them cut out in a container. So I'll put him down first, but I think they're cute. I love that retro look. When kids were kids. Put this over him. It's like he's peeping out of the bushes. And like I said, these are stickers, and I just just put some old book page that I had so that let's see. This one I'm just gonna, there we go. I like that. I just feel like it needs to have something in the center, and I'm not sure what. I can put it down, and maybe I'll figure it out. May not need anything. Really no rhyme or reason to this. To this collage, just having fun. Oh, I can always put, let's see here what I've got. All kinds of stuff. That's cute. Let's see what else I have. I don't know, those are awfully big. That one I'm fine with. Yeah, that. That. So I think I'm just going to go with these items. Some I don't know if it's not chipboard, but it's very thick cardboard. All right. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, I'm going to go around the kids with a pen just to help them to pop. And I think I'm going to do some gold splatters. Love those faces. All right. Now my gold splatters. Clean this desk and you never know it. We'll just go around that just a little bit. Try not to get their faces. Do too much with that. Didn't do anything with that. Well, there went my glue. So let's see what we have. I don't know why this thing keeps moving on me. All right, I have got something purple, which are my flowers. Block print or all caps, I got Las Vegas. Famous city, I've got Las Vegas. Music symbol, there's all kinds of music symbols on this book music page. Graph paper, I've got my graph paper. And bonus is game or puzzle piece, and I went with a playing card. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.